Hello, I'm Behzad from Pakistan, and my research at Kohat University was focused on growth and survival of Rhizosphere soil bacteria in Mars soil simulant under Martian conditions. This study has two parts. So first, we developed a new Mars soil simulant and we are calling it KP Mars 1. And the second part deals with the growth of Rhizosphere soil bacteria in KP Mars 1 soil simulant. This is a radial diagram that shows the cell count in Mars versus Earth conditions with three factors including temperature, UVC radiation, and carbon dioxide conditions of Mars. You can see that the most lethal condition for bacteria on Mars is the UVC radiation, and the least lethal condition is the carbon dioxide dominancy in Martian atmosphere. We conclude that rhizosphere soil bacteria might adapt to Martian conditions and might be able to grow after adaptation. These are some moments during my research in the lab. I would like to thank all of my funding sources and collaborators.